I know about No Nova Club.
No Nova who?
The party McLaren set up where everyone's invited except me. And you'll have fun without me.
Oh, that? We just ended up there for a rest. You see, for us, Boulder's workouts can get a bit... But it's not really a party.
Isn't it? What do you like about parties?
Oh, food, drinks, and music.
At McLaren's, is there food, drink, and music?
Yes, yes, and yes!
Party! So now, you're gonna help me. Tell me everything you know about the Normalites.
Welcome to Operation Normals.
Yes.
Chef Dindins loves to get down and dirty. You've got to prove to him you can too.
And Boulder has some great salad recipes. Your diner will be the talk of the galaxy.
Have you ever asked Captain how he became Captain of the North?
And then the Queen said, "From here on forth, you are Captain of the North."
Wow. What a story. Boulder would love to hear it. Promise me you'll come and tell him?
Kid's songwriter is always on the hunt for new, crazy glasses and loves his piano.
I am telling you, Boulder could help you be at one with your piano.
But that's my dream. I've always wanted to be a piano.
McLaren.
Miss No Nova Club Claren. Everyone's invited, but not McLaren. But don't tell her.
Oh, but I'm not good at keeping secrets. I get a teeny bit sweaty.
She thinks she's invited, so she won't come, which is good, because she's uninvited, which you mustn't tell her. Clear?
Nova, I'm ready
For what?
to, become a piano.
Calling Kid Songwriter. So, Boulder, I need you to turn Kid Songwriter into a piano.
You look like you've been through it. My sister, I understand.
Nova! Gluing Kid Songwriter. You stay there. I'm hunting Normalites. Oh, hi, sis. How was the workout? Hello, sister. It's going so good, but I was just headed to yours.
Okay. Why so? If you don't mind me asking, dear sister.
To, borrow a book. I'm going to do what people do with books. Read.
Sid, you look like you're drowning.
It's lies. All lies. Nova thought McLaren set up a No Nova Club where everyone except Nova hangs out. But it's not McLaren's fault. We all just ended up there, didn't we? And McLaren thought it was fine because Nova was having her own fun with Boulder. And we all found his sessions a bit... Nova secretly tried to get everyone back and McLaren found out. And she secretly tried to get everyone back and Nova found out. And I was sworn to secrecy by Nova and McLaren. But I can't keep it in anymore. And last week I ate that last chocolate biscuit. It didn't fall into the Jefferson rubbish chute. And now Nova and McLaren are in the corridor.
You did eat that biscuit, huh?
You stole my Boulder. You stole my party. Ha! So it was a party, and my party was better. Your workout wasn't supposed to be a party. No wonder Boulder would rather be at mine. He'd rather be at mine. Boulder! Boulder! Boulder!
Pick me, I'll throw the best party. Just come with me and see. McLaren, he's not going anywhere. You know it's no contest. You know what to that you can't resist her. He'll pick me the better sister. We don't need to fight. You know that I'm always right. Now you're just exaggerating. Sorry, you're just irritating. You know you don't always have to have your own way. Oh, in my dreams. You should know I always have to have the final say. Pick me, I'll throw the best party. Just come with me and see. McLaren, you're really starting to annoy me. You know it's no contest. You know I do it best. Pick me, I'll throw the best party. Pick me, 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 pick me. No, but you can't just let me have this one moment. You always have to smile. McLaren, he clearly wants to be at my party. I'm the superstar, remember? Pick me, I'll throw the best party. Just come with me and see. McLaren, he's not going anywhere. You know it's no contest. You know I do it best. Pick me, I'll throw the best party.
So?
Don't mean to fuss or grumble, but if I don't train, I'm gonna crumble.
Boulder! Look what we've done to him!
My bit goes there.
No, your bit goes here. Can't we agree on anything?
We are agreeing. Sorry, Nova. I didn't create No Nova Club on purpose, but I should have told you how everyone felt.
I'm sorry too. I did make a rival party and I left you out.
You all should have asked how you wanted to train. We can go easy so no one complains. Now, I'm glad you two made amends. But what about all your friends?
So are you completely cured of Boulder talk now, Captain?
Well, I still have the occasional blip. Mostly when I'm steering the Jefferson.
We both wanted to say, we're sorry. We shouldn't have made you choose between us like that.
Exactly. It's not a fair contest.
And so we wanted to ask you,
Can we both join your club? And from now on, Boulder sessions won't be so... so you normalites can keep up with me.
and no more secrets. Sid?
Everyone, come on, get in. Get in for the picture. You ready? Cheese!